Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cream egg stuffed cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, which should be at room temperature or softer. Then add in your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar. Then mix everything together until it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Depending on how soft your butter is will depend on how long this needs to become light and fluffy, but you'll know once it's ready as it'll look. Go from this to looking a little bit more like this, and if you mix it for that bit longer it should become this kind of lighter and fluffier. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. Be careful not to scramble or split the mixture by adding both eggs in at once. Add them in one at a time and make sure that you beat well in between each addition. Then you can go ahead and add in the vanilla, and don't forget vanilla is a really good flavour in everything, even as a base flavour. And just mix until everything is incorporated. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So don't forget to scrape the top and the bottom of the bowl. This is normally where the bits combine. You can then go ahead and add in your flour, followed by the baking powder and the chocolate chips. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium high, just until there is a clear dough, being careful not to over mix the mixture. Once you've got that, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. And again, this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So make sure you get every bit, as you don't want some cookie dough with just a big lump of flour. That's not what you want at all. So when it comes to the cookies, you'll want to take your scoop and scoop up a ball of the dough, then flatten it and make like a little well, or like little dent in the middle. Then take a whole cream egg, squash it down, and then put it in the center and squeeze the cookie dough around it. Then roll it just to bring it into a round shape, then flatten it slightly and place onto a baking tray. Repeat the process, and these do spread while baking, so leave enough space. So I put through onto a standard size tray. Repeat the process until you have no dough left, then you can bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. And here is what the cookies look like once they are fresh from the oven. As you can tell, some of the cream egg filling has leaked out. Don't worry, not a problem. Then top each cookie with some chocolate chips and you're good to go. You really want to keep this simple. If you add another cream egg, these are going to be far too sweet, so just keep it simple by adding some more chocolate chips on top, and that will work perfectly. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoy. Bye guys.